periodically, is I think it's just a related thing. And so this is really two different of the mistake. We have it listed as two mistakes in the article, but the second one I think is just very closely related, and that's adjusting your clothing, adjusting your pants. So sometimes, once again, you feel like maybe the gun's not as secure as it should be, or maybe you don't have good quality pants or good quality belt holding things in place. Try to avoid a...
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Line short answer, it's hard to count on one arm or one leg. Is he the outside linebacker version of Vance McDonald? I just wrote about Bud Dupree on Thursday here. Look, he has had those previous issues, but go back to last year. Okay, he did not miss a game, and he only missed. He was on the injury report 3 different weeks last year. It's a shame that I'm.
weight the polls to make sure that you capture all the demographics in the right way, so that the universe of people that you find online sort of also represent a broader universe of voters.
Yeah, I mean, we get that question a lot, and I think the assumption is that older people are not online. That's still not true. Yeah. I mean, there are older people who have trouble getting people over 80, over 85, to apply online. The real challenge is getting a representative of 18 to 24 year olds. And I think one of the ways that you is different is 100% committed. They're constantly meeting and trying to find affordable ways.
Yeah, we got him now.
Yeah, at least they make the numbers. Right. Oh my God! Look at that!
Yeah, I see him. Well, knock it down. Stay back, Rick. Stay back. Damn thing might break.
No, this has got to be out of here.
What the hell's the matter with that guy? Look at him. What the hell's the matter? He's drunk. He's doped up or something. He's running or something. I don't know what's the matter with that guy. Good golly, Ricky. Damn power line break down and kill us too. Kill me and you
Call
too.
911 there.
I ain't got no phone. 911.
Yeah. Oh, fire. The party.
There's a lot of cars for 3 o'clock. He's in a hurry.
Oh, shit.
pretty lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's